how do you allow access to the photos on your iPhone? Let me guide you through it and show you how it works. And if it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, a lot of times when you open up like a new app which wants to access your photos, you're going to get a pop-up saying and asking you if you want to allow access or not. But generally speaking, the way to manage it would be by going to the settings and checking out the privacy and security section. So you have to scroll down a little bit until you find it. And in there, you can see different things like the location of services and tracking and stuff like that. But below, you should also see the access to your camera and some other things in here too. But of course, we are interested in the photos, so click on that and it's gonna ask you, or it's gonna show you the list of all of the third-party apps which asked and requested access to your photos. And you can see if the app has it allowed, or you can change it to something else, right? So for example, you can find that a social media app has full access, which you might be happy with, but you can switch it to none access, or you can decide that it's just going to be limited only. And when you choose the limited access, you literally pick the photos and videos from the gallery, which the app is only allowed to access. So you can be very specific if you don't want to share all of your library with one application. And that's how you can set it up app by app so you can end up with the perfect setup. So that is all I wanted to share with you. It's just a quick guide. So if you like this type of content where we just go straight to the topic, then subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. So thanks a lot and I'll catch you later.